Hello students. So today we will do some problems based on integration. Okay, that is we are doing integration by partial fraction. Okay. So it is of the form if it is px plus q upon x minus a x minus b, that is linear form. We have a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b, right? If you have x minus a the whole square, then you have to take a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a the whole square. Okay. Then third is we are given a quadratic in the numerator. Okay. So and denominator there are linear terms x minus a, x minus b, x minus a. So it becomes a upon x minus a, b upon x minus b, c upon x minus c. Now here in the denominator it is given x minus a the whole square. So here you have to do a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a the whole square plus c upon x minus b. Okay. Now for the fifth one, there is a quadratic term in the denominator also. Okay. So if you are given a quadratic term in the denominator, it is you have to take bx plus c upon that quadratic term. Okay. So here the degree of the numerator, here it is higher. Okay. If you have a degree of the numerator higher and degree of the denominator lower, then you can divide that term. Okay. So let's do some examples. Okay. So the question is integral dx upon x square into x plus 1. So here they have given a quadratic term in the denominator, right? So we by using partial fraction we can write this as 1 x square x plus 1 a upon x plus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square. Okay, so multiplying you will get 1 equal to a x square plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Okay, so I'll put x equal to minus 1. So 1 equal to minus 1 square is 1. So a minus b. This term is 0, right? Minus 1 plus 1, so it becomes 0. So a we got 1. Okay. Now we'll just we'll compare the coefficients. Okay. So comparing the coefficients of x square. So here it is a. This side there is no x square term, so 0. Then here this becomes bx into x. So bx square, so we'll get b. So we'll get b is equal to minus a, and we know the value of a, that is minus 1. So b we got minus 1. Okay. Let's now compare the coefficients of, we want c, right? So coefficients of x term. So here there is no x term, so 0. Here there is no x term. Here we get bx into x, bx square, then bx into 1, so bx, so b. Then c into x, c. Okay. So c is equal to minus b. And we have the value of b, so minus of minus 1, so we'll get c equal to 1. Okay. So let's integrate substituting these values. A we got 1 and b we got minus 1. C is 1. So integrating. So here you will get directly log x plus 1. Okay. Plus this you can write minus x upon x square plus 1 upon x square dx. Correct. So this becomes minus 1 upon x. So minus 1 upon x is log x. Then this becomes 1 upon x square. Means what? You are getting x raised to minus 2. So this is your x raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Let's see. So this is x raised to minus 1 and minus 1. So you can take this minus here and I'll write this as 1 upon x. Let's solve this. So here there is a x minus 1 the whole square term in the denominator. So this becomes a upon x plus 1, b upon x minus 1 and c upon x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so cross multiplying you will get square plus 1 a into x minus 1, x minus 1 the whole square, b into x plus 1 into x minus 1 the whole square plus c into x plus 1 to x minus 1. Okay, and in the denominator it is x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 the whole square. So you can cancel these two terms. Okay, now this term remains. So you can cancel this term and this term. Okay, then one of the term and this term. So finally you will get x square plus 1 equal to a x minus 1 the whole square plus b x plus 1 x minus 1 plus c x plus 1. Okay, now we'll put x equal to 1. Okay. So when you put x equal to 1 you'll get here 2. Then this is 0, this is also 0, so you will get 2. So c is equal to 1. When you put x equal to minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 square. So this is 4. This is 0, this is 0. So a is equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So we got the values of c and a. So c is 1 and a is half. Okay, we want b. Now you can compare the coefficients. Okay. So comparing the coefficients of x square, this will be x square minus x plus 1. So this is a. X square minus 1 square. So b. Okay. A is half. So b is equal to 1 minus half. So it is half. Okay. So b is equal to half. So we got b also. Okay. Now we'll integrate. A is half. B is minus half. And c is 1. So integrating, we'll get half. Integral of x plus 1 is log x plus 1. Then minus half. Integral of x minus 1 is log x minus 1. And here you can take this is x minus 1 the whole square. So if you take this term x minus 1 as t, okay, so we'll get dx equal to dt. So if I substitute it here, 1 upon t square dt. So t square means what? T raised to minus 2 dt. So we'll get Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon minus 1. So minus 1 upon t. So this becomes 1 upon x minus 1 plus c. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay.